Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 6s Plus and replace display module. What tools do you need for disassembling iPhone 6s Plus? Screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup, tweezers and opening plastic tool. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the connector for charging. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to heat the surface of iPhone for opening it. For this I use a hairdryer. Apply a suction cup near home button and pull up on the ring of suction cup. Using a plastic opening tool, separate the display from the iPhone case. Gently and evenly separate the both sides. Open the display by lifting it up. In iPhone 6s Plus uses different size of screws, and in order not to confuse them during assembly, I recommend using a magnetic pad. Remove two screws, securing the battery connector bracket on the motherboard. Use the plastic tool for disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Unscrew that 5 screws and remove the bracket. Next, disconnect 3 cables from the logic board. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the metal bracket. Carefully disconnect the home button cable from the display module. Next, gently tear it off from the display housing. Next, remove the front camera and speaker. For this, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the bracket. Remove the cable with camera from the display housing. Unscrew the 7 screws on the metal panel of the display housing. Now we take a new display module and install everything back. In the description of this video I leave links where you can buy a new display module. If your display module doesn't have a plastic holder for the camera, you need to buy it and glue it. I leave links to the holder in the description of this video. Install the cable with camera and speaker and fasten the bracket. Set the metal panel on display housing and securing 7 screws. Set the home button and connect the cable to the display. Install the bracket on the home button and fasten 2 screws. Before final assembly, connect the display and check how everything works. Remove the old glue from the iPhone case. Now take adhesive tape and apply it to the case of iPhone. Also I leave links to this adhesive tape in description. Set the display and connect 3 cables, then connect the battery cable. Set the metal bracket on the cable and securing that 1 screw in the middle. After, fasten remaining 4 screws. Now set the metal bracket on the battery cable and fasten 2 screws. Fasten 2 screws near the lighting port. Now we can turn on the iPhone and use it.